Tired of printing, signing, and scanning documents? Let's unlock the world of hassle-free signatures using Docusign. First, check your email for a message from Docusign, usually with a clear subject line like "Please Docusign." Open the email and click on the prominent Review Document button. You'll be taken to the Docusign interface where your document awaits. Notice the yellow Start tab on the left. Click it to be guided through the signing process. Docusign offers a few ways to sign. You can adopt a pre-designed signature by selecting a style from the options provided, or draw your own using your mouse or trackpad. Type your name and initials. Once you're happy with your signature, click Adopt and sign. Your signature will be applied to the designated field. Don't forget to fill in any other required fields, like dates or initials, which are usually marked with a yellow tab. Simply click on each field and follow the instructions. For documents requiring higher security, Docusign offers advanced options like digital certificates or knowledge-based authentication. These are usually requested by the sender, but you can find and use them through the Other Actions menu. When you've completed all the required fields, click the Finish button in the top right corner. You might be asked to agree to consumer disclosure forms. Once done, a confirmation message will appear. Congratulations! You've successfully signed the document with Docusign. You can now download a copy for your records or simply close the browser window. You'll also receive a confirmation email with the completed document attached.